What is different between regular people and champions and successful people? Because they take massive action. They don't talk too much. Their action talks louder than their word. Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about habit number second for success. So let's go. So habit number second is take action. Nowadays everyone are looking for pills for success. Everyone is looking for quickly getting success. But if you do not take action, how you will reach there? Taking action will give you reality than dreaming. People are going further and you are just dreaming and dreaming and dreaming and dreaming. You know, lion is king of animals, right? If lion want to eat food, he have to stand up, walk around the forest and find his food. Food will not come to his mouth. Just saying it will not get you result. Do not be talker, be a worker. So today I will give you 3 key points will help you to take action. So let's dive in. So first key point is 5-second rule. So in that, what you need to do, anytime you are thinking and you know you want to do something and you are keep thinking and you are not taking action, you will just stay there, right? You have seen when we launch rocket, they do countdown, right? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go, right? So like that, you need to do countdown yourself. You need to give yourself that you are launching yourself. You need to think, I'm going to launch myself. I'm not gonna think too much, I'm just gonna do it. So you need to give 5 countdown in your mind, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and just do it. Anything you wanna do it, you don't need to think too much, just decide and give yourself 5 countdown. If you wanna call someone, if you wanna go out and do it, if you wanna apply for job, if you wanna go to gym, or if you wanna do anything if you wanna do, give yourself 5 countdown and just launch yourself, just do it. Because if you are sitting down and thinking and you will like hesitate to do that, I'm gonna do that later on, I need to take time, I need to think, you will not do that. Your mind will stop you. You will get lots of distraction, but you will not get there. So you need to launch yourself. So this 5-second rule will help you. There is a book called 5-second rule by Robbins. You can read that. He mentioning about 5-second rule, how she thought she was failure and she doesn't know how to take action, and she thought about this 5-second rule and now her life is changed. So you can also think about that and do this in your life. So first key point is 5-second rule. Second key point is stop overthinking. You know, everyone are thinking too much. Everyone in your mind, whenever you want to get something, you want to do something, you will always thinking, right? And you will never get there. Don't be a talker, don't be a thinker, be a worker. You need to take action to get somewhere. If you are only thinking, it's only in your mind, if you do not put work on that, you will not get there. So do not think too much. Thinking is a good habit, you can think, but when you overthink, when you think too much, it doesn't help you. You will stay there. You can think as much you want to think, but you will not get anywhere unless you take action. So we always hesitate, should I do that? Can I do that? Oh, I can't do that. I did last time, I will fail. You are always hesitate to do that. Should I do that? What gonna happen? You will not get there. So if you think too much, you will scared. Your mind, your heart will stop you doing it, because you will have fear, because you will scared from that. in bungee jumping or any rides, if you go and they ask you to jump, and if you are thinking too much, should I jump or not, should I jump or not, you will not jump, you will be back out, right? Because you will scared. So that's why what they do, if you have seen any videos, when you go to bungee jumping, they will ask you, I will count down 5, and at the number 1 I will push you from the back. So they will start countdown 5, 4, 3, 2, and they will push you on number 2, because they will not wait for number 1, because when number 1 comes, you will be back out, you will scared. So they will just push you on second number. So if you overthink yourself, you will not do anything. So do not overthink, just take action. Decide, just think that I want to do something, I'm going to do this, just write it down and just take action on that. If you are failed, that's okay. Your laziness, your boredom will kill you than anyone. So get out from your bed and take action. Third key point is focus on present. So as I told you about thinking, as I talked to you about 5-second rule, the third point is focus on present. Lots of people are thinking too much on past. If something bad happen or anything like that, you will stuck in that point and you will think always. Lots of people are thinking on future as well. Oh, I'm gonna get there, I will be there. Goals are good, the dreaming is good, but if you do not take action, you will stay in the present. So you need to focus more on the present, what is going on right now. If you are thinking too much on your past, on future, you will always anxious about that. You will always be fear, you will always be like, how I'm gonna get there, it will happen or not, what's gonna happen, my past was bad, I was failed, how I'm gonna get there, you will scared. So focus on your present. So think that you wanna do that anything, you write it down, I wanna get there, I wanna do that, and just focus on present, what I need to do to reach there, and just do it. Get out from there. Champions take massive action, they do not hesitate. If you are failed, relaunch yourself, rebuild yourself, learn the skill and do it again. Taking action will get you there, otherwise you will stay wherever you are. Do not think about quitting. Once you start taking action, push yourself and you will get going. If you want to learn swimming, you need to dive in, right? So same like that, if you want to get success, you need to take action. That's the main point to reach there. Okay, so focus on present, write it down what you want to do there, where you want to reach there, make your vision board, make your goals, and just take action on that. Do not think too much, do not think I'm gonna get this much money, oh I had mistake on my past. Do not think about past or future, just focus on your present and take action. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Take your action, launch yourself. I'll see you next week. Bye bye, take care.